Hey everybody, it's Jamie. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, I am going to be putting some money into my bag full of money. I pulled out 6 envelopes this time. I'm changing it up, guys. I'm changing it up. One day you may be seeing 6, the other day you may be seeing 13. So this right here are the challenges that I've already finished. So we finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't wait until we finish them all and I can open them up and separate the money and show you guys what we have. So this is going back to the safe. I just wanted to show you guys. So today we're going to do roll the dice savings on this one. Sorry for the interruption, guys. I had to, oh, wait a minute, we got 2 stuck here. That one don't have any. Hopefully that one will get some money. My husband came in and was asking a question, so I went ahead and paused the video. I don't have any private time anymore. That's what he said. He said, you just don't have private time no more. I'm like, yeah, I know. No private time. Okay, guys. And Simon's going to start again. Simon. Oh my gosh. Y'all, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25 to see where we can add to. So hopefully y'all can see this one land on a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. I have to concentrate. I gotta concentrate. Guys, all of this money is going to go towards paying off debt. If you're new here, I am wanting to get my car paid off this year. And I'm trying so hard to save every penny that I can. So it may seem a little oh, that's a star note. Oh, and it's an A note. I think it's the second one I've got so far with an A4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Oh, and some of this is for Christmas, guys. So the ones that's in the Christmas envelopes are going to the grandkids. So those won't be going towards the debt. The ones that are Christmas will be going towards the kids' Christmas. I'm trying to get a head start on it. That is a 5, so that's a 5. That's a 2. I'm just going with what I see. That's a 5. Looks like 5 is going to get it this year. This year, yeah. Lord help me, Jesus. I need some help. And the last one is going to 3. So, we are going to pick the beautiful color of purple. And this one had got 2. So we are going to color in this 2. It's hard to believe that it's already February, guys. All these little envelopes here come from Lisa over at the Happy Mailbox Company. Her YouTube channel is Lisa Grateful Me. Oop, come back here. I don't want to get you mixed up. So in this little envelope here, we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We got 17. And if you watched my yesterday's video, you will see what the L in a number stands for. So this one's Christmas. This one right here is Amber's. Miss Amber is going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 in hers today. So we'll just color in that 4. And Miss Amber has got, come on, let's get them out here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 in hers. This one right here is going towards the water bill. Some of these are like for Christmas. Some of them are for like sinking funds. Some of them are going for debt. Some of them are going for home stock up, homestead supplies, and all that. So 1, 2, 3. I do have a month ahead binder that I'm working on, guys. I've not put any money in it lately. I'm waiting for these little savings challenges to get done before I do that. This one right here got 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much we got in here in this one? This one right here is pet supplies, and it has got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This one's got 24 in it so far. This cute one right here is going for stock up supplies. And it gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 today. So we will do a 5 and a 2. Stock up supplies will be anything like toilet paper, dishwashing pods, and stuff like that. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one's got 12. And I can't wait till I get these finished. I'm trying really hard, guys. So this one right here gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll just color this one in. And I do believe this one has got 8, 9. This one should have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's a star note. Once I get finished with these, I'm going to have to see how many star notes are actually in all these envelopes. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for hanging around and seeing me on a journey to save money for different things to do, like a month ahead binder, paying off debt, getting a month ahead on bills, which the only ones I'm really trying to get a month ahead on is the mortgage, house insurance, electric, internet, car payment, car insurance, and water does have $10 in it, and then our mobile service. And then here is a little $1,000 tracker here. So we'll just have to see what we can do, guys. So remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.